So today is finally the day. Oh crap, let me close the garage. Today is finally the day. The car's done. I'm gonna make this trek on up the road to go pick it up from a Grim. Moistnismo on Instagram. That's his IG, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that in the previous video, but I believe my man's has really hooked me up. So we're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna bring it home and show you guys. If I didn't show you already, I don't even remember if I showed you the color or not yet. Maybe I did, but whatever. We're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the car done. Might do like a little mini shoot or something today if I feel like it, because you know the weather out here is acting kind of crazy. We're in Georgia, where we only have 2 seasons and all that good stuff, and you know we can have 3 seasons in one day. So I don't know how the weather's gonna act, but we'll see. But we're gonna make this trek on up the road and go pick up my baby. I missed her. What? You know what I meant. And once again, I know I mentioned this in the last video coming up here. We're stuck in heavy traffic. It just loosened up a little bit, but it's about to pick back up again because it's Atlanta and it's Monday and it's like rush hour. So yeah, it sucks every single time. All right, I'm here. I gotta go meet up with him, but I saw it already. It looks amazing. Bro, this thing is right. Oh boy. I love this. Oh God. This is amazing. Oh, it looks so good. I think I picked the right color.
I think you did too. Came out really nice.
This is right. Oh my God. Oh yeah. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to finish it. No matter. I don't ever look like crap. So this is the guy who wrapped my car. Yep. I don't know if I've introduced you. His name's Grim. Tell them how they can get a hold of him.
Hit me up on Instagram, Avid Auto, AVID Auto. DM us and we'll get you a quote and get you set up.
Yep.
Yeah.
This thing is beautiful. I haven't showed you guys yet. I'm gonna probably get it to a nice location because it's about to rain, even 2 hours away from my house. So I'm gonna get to a nice location and I'm gonna show you guys the work that he did because it's spot on. It's beautiful. But thank you, dude.
Yeah.
I'm gonna appreciate you. Yeah, I gotta get back home because my wife is sick and she's about to die. Man, I gotta say, man, it's been. I'm just so glad to be driving this car again, and now that it's approaching its done stage. It's like a huge weight off my shoulders. I'm so relieved to have the car back. It looks beautiful. Basically, holy crap, I just broke some guy's neck. Basically, all right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Austin's house. If you guys remember Austin, any of you who were watching my channel like from the very beginning probably know who Austin is. Real cool guy. I'm gonna go to his house and probably try to get his reaction on the car and see what he thinks about it. So we're gonna go to Austin's house. Hopefully it won't be too dark by the time we get there. So I'm at Austin's house. Of course it's dark. Got caught in traffic on the way home, so it's like pitch black out here. But this car looks really good in this darkness. Like, it's sick.
You took the wing out?
Yeah, for now. What do you think? I'm thinking this might be like a first reactions video. Yep. It's I love this color.
Yeah, I do too. Don't change nothing else.
Yeah, everything from here on out is like gonna be power mods. That's it.
Okay.
Turbo's next.
Yeah.
You heard it here first.
So okay, what is this color? You mentioned it before.
Yeah, I don't have like a real huge palette for like real wild colors. I kind of like neutral stuff.
Well, I've always been a smoke gray person myself.
Yeah, I don't get tired of neutral colors. Like if it was like something wild, I would probably get tired of it pretty quick.
I mean, as wild as I'll go is like I said, that, you know, that general Subaru blue.
The only reason I haven't done this yet is because the bumper's cracked and I'm getting a new one.
Gotcha.
Alright, so I made it back home. It's a little too dark to really show you guys this color, so we'll pick this back up tomorrow and I'll show you the color then in the actual daylight.
I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I'll be born. Open heavens, let it pour. You can love me again, again, again. You better love me again. You better love me again. You better love me again.
So, this is the color I chose. Dark satin gray. Still not finished, obviously, because, you know, cars are never finished. I'll explain it in a second. But, dark satin gray, that's the color I chose. Simply because I don't have a huge palette for wild colors or anything like that. I pretty much prefer everything to stay neutral. And one other color that I knew I wouldn't get tired of for a long time, because I'm not wrapping this car again for a long time. And also, satin colors, especially darker satin colors, show off body lines really, really well. So that's really the main reason I went with this color, because of, you know, those aforementioned reasons. But yeah, hope you guys like it. It looks pretty sick. I don't know if I showed the B-roll now or if I show it after this. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, there she is. So as you can probably tell, the thing isn't done. Still have to put on this fender aero fin, I think is what it's called. Door handles aren't wrapped and the bumper isn't wrapped. Bumper isn't wrapped because, you know, I still need a new bumper. This one's clapped. I took a little hit on the back, so it's cracked and just need a new bumper kinda. So I didn't get that wrapped yet, but that's gonna happen at some point. And yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. So we're like, as far as aesthetics go, we're like 80% done with aesthetics. Next up, all I really have left is front aero, and that's it. Everything after that will be pretty much focused purely on performance. I don't know when that will happen because, you know, car stuff is expensive and I just kind of don't got it like that. Oh, and all the over fenders need to be secured together on each other. I have hardware for that, don't worry. And also right here, just to get these gaps perfectly aligned, and then we'll be good on that. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it, man. This thing's really coming together finally after so long. Make sure you give Moist Nismo a Grim Moist Nismo on Instagram. Give him a follow, or you could follow him at Avid Auto. Is it Avid Auto? Let me check. Yeah, Avid Auto. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. Yeah, Avid Auto or Moist Nismo. Both of those are his pages, so hit him up. I believe he said he's working on getting a wrap shop. So yeah, he lives in Atlanta. If you're anywhere near him, hit him up and he can probably hook you up like he hooked me up.